Welcome to Topic 2. In the first procedure, whole class discussion, we have you introduce the idea of solving a puzzle without a key. Usually when someone sends a secret message, they don't send the key. They want to keep the message a secret. This discussion will help students realize that if they don't know the key, they'll need to guess and check until they find the correct answer. Please pause your video now and read the discussion questions in Procedure 1. Unpause your video when you get to Procedure 2. Procedure 2 is the unplugged group activity. Which key is it? In this activity, students will decrypt a secret message that says, "The secret key is hidden under the trash can." This is why the instructor comments in the PD and in the implementation guide say to hide a key before you do this procedure. It was fun for students to decrypt the paper message and find a physical key in the classroom. For this activity, I know I'm going to need material 421, which I can find in the Crypto Comics Google Drive. The first page of the material has instructions for how to set this activity up. We recommend that you break the students up into 5 groups. You should print enough copies of this material so that each student gets their own group copy. For example, if I have 20 students in my class, I would have 5 groups of 4. That would mean I would print 4 copies of the handout, so each student would get their own copy. The guide explains how to introduce this to your learners. The premise of the activity is that the sender of the message has hidden something in the classroom for us to find. Each group has one part of the enciphered message, and all the parts come together to make a whole message. However, the sender didn't include a key, but we're lucky. We know the key is either 1, 2, 3, or 4. We then ask you to discuss, how can we determine which key is correct? Students will need to try all the possibilities. They'll guess and check. This activity is a simulation of brute force, which is when one uses trial and error to guess all the possible combinations of a secret message. Brute force is used when we don't know the cipher key. You will explain to your learners what brute force is in procedure number 6 later on in this chapter. To make it easier, the groups will divide the work. One student will try +1 on their Caesar wheel, another will try +2, and so on. If we use group number 1 as an example, each student will complete a different line. Students may need direct instructions to know they don't have to try each key and can rely on their group members to split up the work and find the correct key. When they're all done with their individual parts, they can identify the correct key and write the correct plain text at the bottom of their paper. When each group is done, have the groups share in order, as in group 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the students will learn the full plain text message. They can then look under the trash can to find the hidden physical key. Please complete procedures 3 through 7 on your own. This is the end of the Topic 2 video.